Hello, I'm Eliana. Welcome to Rechnitz Hall on the campus of Monmouth University. This modern facility features state-of-the-art visual art space, workshops, classrooms, and faculty offices, fostering an inspiring environment for creativity and learning. In the Department of Art and Design, you can work creatively and critically with professors and explore an innovative curriculum that features animation, graphic and interactive design, interactive media, photography, studio art, and art history programs. Students develop their foundational skills in this close-knit learning environment through projects with community partners and internships to prepare for their professional future. The DiMatteo Gallery is a two-story centerpiece boasting nearly 2,000 square feet of exhibition area. Established in 2013 and named in honor of the late Professor Vincent DiMatteo. A distinguished artist and educator at Monmouth University, this gallery showcases award-winning artists and also serves as a platform for Monmouth students to showcase their artistic talents. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Rechnitz Hall. Next time you're on campus, be sure to visit the DiMatteo Gallery and explore the vibrant world of art and design here at Monmouth University.